Okay. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Well, today is Saturday, but okay, so this is gonna be a very different vlog. I have been watching this channel and I have been so hooked on her channel. I gotta pull it up. Let me see if I can pull it up. And of course, I won't be able to find it now that I'm actually filming. But she does one take vlogs. Like, she turns the camera on, she goes about her day, she does vlog hauls, cook with me's, but it's one take. Like, she doesn't edit anything out of her vlog. Like, this is a vlog. This is not like, you know, a regular content video. So I want to try to do that with you guys today. Like, I literally just turned the camera on, as y'all saw, and I want to try to do a one take vlog where I don't edit anything out of this vlog. So I'm gonna start small before kind of working my way up, because I don't know, I liked it. Like, it was just so, I don't know, I was just so hooked on watching her vlog. But anyway, what are y'all doing? What are y'all up to this weekend? So tomorrow's 4th of July. I don't know if we have any plans tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, today is Saturday. This is so hard to not like edit anything. Like, this is literally me talking. I feel like would be me talking on a live with you guys. Like, I can't edit anything out. Like, it's just like straightforward, but yeah. So yeah. If you guys are new to my channel, this is what we always do on Sundays. Like, I don't do these one take vlogs. This is literally my first time doing this, but on Sundays, we do really chill, laid back videos, well, vlogs. I don't know, it's just super random. It's never like, if you watch vlogs, then you know, but if you watch like my regular, Robert's in the background singing, he got music on, and I'm trying to like stay focused on this without having to edit anything. But anyway, what I was saying was, if you guys like vlogs, this is what we do on Sundays. And then on Wednesday and Fridays, I just do regular content where I do makeup tutorials, I do hauls, I do just all the regular like beauty content. And then I feel like Sundays are more, you know, everybody's relaxed day. Like, they're just, you know, chilling, just relaxed at home. So that's why I always do my vlogs on Sundays. But anyway, I want to show y'all what I just opened up, because I ordered some things off SKIMS, some more things. Y'all, when I say SKIMS has literally taken over my whole entire loungewear wardrobe, like, it is crazy. So I ordered a few more things and I want to show y'all what I got. I'm actually wearing some of the stuff that I got. This is the chocolate robe. It's the lounge soft. Girl, I forgot the names. She has like specific names for her collections, but this is just a soft robe that I got. And I'm also wearing the tank and boxer shorts that matches the tank. It's just a gray tank. But let me grab the box. Let me go grab it so I can show y'all everything that I got. I feel like I just got me a, dang it, I feel like I just got a cardboard box paper cut, which is the worst. But here's the box. Here's everything right here. I have one thing I didn't open, but I opened most of everything else. So let me show you what the stuff is. So I got the Pajama Set, which is the same color as the robe that I'm wearing. And one thing about Skims is if you want your stuff to fit loose and like super duper comfortable, that is exactly what Skims is. I wear a size small and they fit loose, baggy, and it's just so comfortable. So yeah, this is the top, the pajama top right here. And I think this, like this specific set will be the perfect gift for the holidays, because I want to say, no, this didn't come together. But either way, the pajama sets are perfect. Like the pajamas and stuff are perfect, perfect, perfect gifts for the holidays. So this is the pants, and the pants are really, really, really long. I am 5'2", and these drag. So the way I like to wear them is I just roll them up. This is my second set from, well, my second pajama set, because the first one I have is just like this one. It's in the shade Taupe. It's like the mint green, but I just roll them up like this so that way it won't be too long. But that is one of the sets I got. And then I got another robe. I have so many robes, y'all. It's crazy. But I just got another one. This is in the color Taupe. 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 So it's the same exact one that I have on right now. And it comes with a tie. I probably dropped it somewhere, but it does come with like a little tie that you tie around the waist. And then, so there's a new collection. And of course I had to get it because I like the color. So I got this razorback tank. It looks just like this. And then the same tank that I have on right now, oops, is right here. I know it looks just like the one I just held up, but it's not razorback. So really cute. And these are fit, like they fit. And then I got the boxer shorts, which I also have these on right now as well. It's just in a different color. But I like this color. It's called Orchid, I believe. Yep, Orchid. And all of this is in a size small. And then I got my favorite pajama pants. Well, the lounge pants from Skims. I got the same color. And the ones that I just, well, this is, okay, the material is different from the one that I showed you a minute ago. This one kind of has the, what is that? What do you call it? Ribbed, the rib material. So it's kind of ribbed. And then the other one I showed is like smooth. You don't see any like texture in it. But I got another pair just like this a while back, and it's in like that mint green color, which is one of my favorites. And I wear these the same way. I just kind of roll it up because they're so long. Super duper comfy. And then I saw these. I was going back and forth on whether or not I should get these or not, but I went ahead and got them because I wanted me just a good pair of lounge, like relaxed fitting shorts. And I forgot what the name of these were. This is in the shade Taupe, but I got these in an extra small simply because these fit pretty big, and I could even see how they fit. Like sometimes I won't be able to tell how it's going to fit on me just by looking at the model online. But when I was looking at the model online, these fit pretty baggy. So I was like, let me see if an extra small would work. And these are literally perfect, y'all. Like perfect. I still like to roll these up too, just so that they can fit a little bit, you know, a little bit shorter so I can show a little bit more leg. But cute, super stretchy, very stretchy. So if you wear a size small and if some of the stuff is a little loose fitting and you want something that's not too loose fitting like the shorts, then I think you'll be good with going down a size in these. Even the other stuff, like if you don't want your stuff to be super duper fitting and baggy and stuff, but you do wear a size small, then I'm pretty sure you can go down in an extra small in some of the stuff. And then I also, oh, there's the tie for that robe that I showed. But I went ahead and got 2 more of my favorite bodysuits from Skims. I cannot tell you guys how many of these I have. Like, I have almost all the colors in these. But I wanted to get this color because every time I went to go get it, it was always sold out in my size. This is in the shade, the tag is off of it because I've worn this twice already, but I want to say Umber. That's what this one is. I know it looks kind of gray. Does it look gray? It looks a little gray on camera, but it's more of like a soft purple, like a grayish purple. It's really pretty. Ooh, I wore this in my Sephora haul, my recent Sephora haul. So check out that video because I had that top on in it. And then I got another one. This one I haven't worn yet, but this one is in the shade Sand. So, oh, and my battery is dying, you guys. My battery is dying. I didn't even have it fully charged when I started filming, but I want this to be a one-take vlog. So that is all that, yeah, that is all I got from Skims. I just want to show you guys that. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy like this type of, let me know if y'all want me to do more, and I'll definitely do more. But I really just wanted to kind of start out small and do like a, you know, quick little one take vlog with you guys. I don't have anything planned today, like at all. I'm just going to be hanging out, chilling. You know what? One thing I will do, because I already planned to do this today anyway. I want to make, because I've been craving guacamole, and that's literally one of my favorite snacks ever, you guys. So I'm going to make some guacamole. I might edit that part. That's probably going to be the only part I edit in this vlog. Yeah. 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 So, because I want to kind of make it like, I don't know, I want to make the footage cute, like kind of relaxing and therapeutic. So I might, that's going to be the only thing I edit in this vlog. But let me go ahead and end this vlog here, well, right now, and then you guys will probably see me like make my guacamole later on. But if I don't come back later on, I don't think I will, because like I said, I want this to be a one take. But if I don't come back, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, just watching me unbox my Skims package. And yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed this little mini vlog, weekend vlog, whatever you want to call it. But I'll see you guys later on. Bye.